Hey guys, welcome back. We're here for another unboxing. Last month I brought to you a video of me unboxing a box called Yes Oh Yes. It was a subscription box, which I believe it's a monthly subscription box, $13.99 plus $3.99 shipping and handling. It's much like BoxyCharm in the fact that you get like 3 to 5 full-size products every month. And yeah, so let's just jump right in. I got mine this month for April of 2018. This month though surprised me. It's not in a box. It was in this pink bubble mailer and it has the sticker on it. Yes, oh yes. And inside, I've already looked at all of this stuff, guys. We got this little kit right here. Let me tell you about this. This is a pretty close to, okay, this is like reflecting off of there. There's a little plastic protector thing on there. Do you see these black and pink brushes? They are crown brushes, y'all. A full set of crown brushes. And this month, lo and behold, I do believe the folks over at Yes Oh Yes listen to us on our videos. They provided us with this little insert. This month's box is called Color Me Pretty. It says an incredible form of self-expression. Makeup should be acknowledged for what it truly is. Art. I agree. So this month we have a list of everything that is in our box. These Crown Brush, it's Crown Brush 12-piece vegan brush set. Yay for all you vegan folks out there. Apply makeup for a flawless finish with these 12 fabulous brushes and pretty pink carrying case. Retail value $29.99. Now I will tell you, I love me some crown brushes. Love them. And they are all super, super soft. Like true crown form. The handles are great. They're a little bit different than the others though. They don't have the little finger notches. But I still like them just the same. It comes with everything down to a brush with a sponge tip applicator. We have a little lip liner brush here. Oops, sorry, you can't even see that. That's so tiny. We've got your fan brush, your crease brushes, your shadow brushes, your angled brushes. We have a spoolie. I'm not taking these out of the package because I'm going to be giving them to one of my daughters because I have so many brushes that I really don't need these this month. And I know that they're amazing brushes, so. And we also have a little eyelash comb and brush here, so. That is fantastic. Already worth more than what the entire monthly subscription is. So, thank you. Moving on. This month there are not as many products in here as last month, but they are higher quality products, so I'm okay with it. The next thing we have is the Bellaterra Sensual Mineral Bronzer. It says sweep, let me show you here. Okay, it says sweep on some sunshine. A silky lightweight bronzer that leaves behind a radiant glow, matches every skin tone. Retail value of $24.99. So I'm gonna tell you, I already played with this a little bit. The lid screws off obviously, and there's a little, like, you can twist it to open it up. See? Now let me put some of this. This is super, super shimmery. Okay. Now, when I put this on my hand, this is not a bronzer, y'all. You know, I am white as white. I just put that on my hand. Where did it go? It would be more of like a natural glittery highlight than a bronzer. Just letting y'all know that. You can't, don't depend on this to be a bronzer. It's not. Though it is pretty, it might be great on like the inner corners of the lid or on the high points of the face as a highlighter, but don't count on that to be a bronzer. I just dropped it. Okay, the next thing that we have is one of the variant items. This is the Manna Kedar Beauty Step 3 Perfect Flutter Jet Black Mascara. Now, I'm not sure why it says Step 3, y'all. What do we say here? It says, Nana Kadar Flutter Mascara. Achieve full and curled lashes with this one-of-a-kind curvy wand. This mascara creates an intense curling lash effect with its cutting-edge technology brush tip. Retail value $29.99. Now, this is what I have on my eyes today. I have one coat of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And I'm shocked, guys. Like this, I was absolutely shocked when I pulled this out and used it. I saw this funky ass little brush and how watery the product is. Watch. Like it's pretty wet, guys. It's pretty goopy. So I was shocked. But it actually, this is one coat. If I put 2 coats on, my eyelashes would probably touch my forehead. Which is awesome. It's super awesome. I will tell you though that it does take a good 5 minutes to dry down, but so that it doesn't, like, you're not getting spots where your eyelashes touch. So keep that in mind. But this is by far my favorite product in this bag. Like, I did not expect it. Blew my mind. Like, I was doing my daughter's makeup for prom when this came in, and I was shook. My world was shaken by this mascara. So, of course, it made my daughters absolutely laugh and die of hysterics whenever I said that. But I am, y'all know. So, I'm not sure why it says step 3. If there are other steps to this system, maybe like this is just the last step, but a standalone product, it still works amazingly. Moving on to our last product. It is this Girlactic Beauty Mechanical Eyeliner. And I love me some Girlactic stuff. It's great stuff. It never fails me. It's not that expensive. It's a little bit higher price than drugstore, but it's not like Stila, so it's not too bad. It says, no smudging or streaking here. This waterproof angle eyeliner twists up and never needs sharpening. Now, here's a great thing. Look at this. Okay, first off, shade Gray. Gray, hello. Its retail value is $19.99, sorry. Now look at this. Look at this tip. Look at the tip. It's angled. So cool. But this super, super smooth application. I am barely pressing, you guys. I'm just moving slow so you can see. And it is a like slate gray. God, I'm so bad at this. Okay, a slate gray color. Like it's, I'm shocked. And I mean, they say it's no smudge. It's a smudge. It's gonna smudge a little bit. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet, but really though, I mean, it stays pretty well. So that is April 2018's yes, oh yes, monthly subscription. And I'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested in getting this fairly new subscription service that's out. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave some comments down below. Like the video if you like it or if you love it. I'm here for you too. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Until then, bye.